Oxa bakhe abajika bangabahlobo bakhe baphume ngendlu zokuhlonipha uMenzi Ngubane nothatyathwa njengomnye womakhwekhwetha wabadlali bakamabonakude owayedlala naye kumabonakude eminyaka esibhozo kwintandane yebala uGenerations Sonia Mpele ubalisa ngamava wafunda kuMenzi Ngubane.
Green room, a tendency to go out there, hang out, pool table, guarana here and there, hang out. And I remember one day he walked into the green room, opened his locker, took his script. Somebody said, I think it was Tabiso Mukhetsi. He said, big guy, do you want to join us? Menzi said, nah. Who's going to be representing you all on screen if I'm here with you all playing games?
Ngonyaka 2013 uMenzi Ngubane wayephakathi kwabadlali belibala uGenerations abebhinqe ichoba benyanzelisa uchatha kwimivuzo ukhunjulwa ngokubala idela kufa kulo mzabalazo.
As much as he even fought with us and stood with us from 2013 2014, he still to this day believed that the industry itself will change and will be very giving and will build families, because it is important that if you've given yourself and your children are watching you 20 years from now, they should benefit from the work that you've given.
Usapho lwakhe luthi ulwe kwamdaka isali.
He was fighting and he did pull a very, very good fight into whatever that he was facing, and then unfortunately God decided to call him to rest.
He was very tough on screen, but very soft as a family man. He was a very kind, loving man. He loves family so much. He's always there to support umndeni. Umndeni kumenza ubuhamba phambili.
Usapho lwaNgubane lehlelwe sisitye isithwakumbe ngokulisela phansi kwelifa elimnyama ngethuba uyise kaMenzi naye esweleka kusolwa kuba iindaba zokutshaba konyana wakhe zange zamkeleke kumuntu omkhulu. Bobabini baza kufihla umnambithi komgqibelo. uMenzi Ngubane ushiya ngasemva inkosikazi yakhe nabantwana babini makaphumule ngoxolo.